So I got this question, is it important to use Elliott Wave on every position? And my answer is, it's important to use fill in the blank on every position. Well, whatever indicator is going to be important to you, whether it's Elliott Wave, MACD, volume and price, moving averages, or whatever it is, yes, use it on every single trade. It's the consistency of using it on every single trade that's going to build the muscle of you seeing it, your eyeballs seeing it on the chart, and that being meaningful to you. If you're just picking up this tool every once in a while, it's never going to be robust to you. Well, what you're basically looking for is for something to pop off the screen like that and your eye catches it and it's significant. And that's exactly what I do when we're doing these weekend trading prep webinars. So every weekend, well, what I'll do when we get to the part where we're looking for stocks, I have about 100 stocks that are on my watch list. And for round one, what I'm doing, I'm just scrolling through the whole list and I'm doing it relatively fast. I'm spending maybe about 5 seconds to 10 seconds max on each chart. And the reason why is because I want there to be something interesting, something that catches my eye, that makes me stop, look at it and say, yep, that one's interesting, let me write that one down. The reason why is because if I'm spending too much time looking at the finer details in that round one, it hasn't popped off the screen at me, and there's something that isn't obvious about that trade. If we look hard enough at any single trade, we can convince ourselves to either buy it or not buy, or to sell it, right? Like we can find reasons why this is a terrible trade if we look hard enough. So that's why we want to focus on when we're building a system, right? So we have our trading system. We want to focus on what is the key parts of that system. And if you're the person that asked about Elliott Wave, if Elliott Wave is a key part of your system, then you want to focus on that for every single trade. And then you'll know, your eye will catch when that pops up, that, yep, that's something that I want to enter. It goes like that, whether it's Elliott Wave, whether it's Bollinger Bands, whether you're looking at price and volume, support and resistance, no matter what it is that you're looking at, let it be consistent. Train your eye, put in those reps, and then when you're going through all your charts, things should start to pop off the screen at you. Those are the trades that you want to investigate further. Everything else, leave it behind. It's not worth your time.